All right, you guys. Can't believe I'm doing this right now, but I kind of do. I have a NEOTEC NCS 6200A. I also have a Stihl. I've got a DeWalt electric, 2 DeWalt electrics. Love those. I actually love chainsaws. I found this chainsaw on Amazon. For 159 bucks. And I was like, what? And because I'm a chainsaw junkie, I was like, I gotta buy it and see if it sucks. And guess what? It did not suck. This thing rips. I got it in and I was like, I'm gonna put it on every piece of wood in the avocado orchard that I gotta cut down. I cut down over 20 trees with it. All I did was make sure I had chain oil in it, make sure that the fuel mix was right, and just kept firing it up. This thing starts, let's see, it's cold, by the way. This thing's cold right now. Let's see if it'll start right now. I don't know what you think about saws, but this thing cut every bit as good as my Stihl, and you hear how it sounds. 68 cc's. I loved it so much, I bought this little bad boy. This thing right here crushes it too. I haven't started. This thing is cold as ice right now. This might be a really bad idea to do online. I don't know. It may. This may be really dumb. Whatever. These things have been awesome. Listen, NEOTEC kind of blows my mind, because how do you create saws like this for 159 bucks? So all I'm saying is, way to go, NEOTEC. I'm all about it. I'm actually hoping to I'm gonna get the bigger one too and try it out. I want the 42-inch big dog, because this dog right here, this dog hunts. If you've wondered if you should get it and try it, get it and try it, and your mind will be blown. Peace.
NEOTEC 6200A. Easy start. Extra grips. Do a scabbard. 20-inch bar. Side cover. Oil mix. No, chain oil. Bag of tools. Square tooth chain. 325. 58 gauge. Mixing pot. The fuel to oil ratios on the back. Your 2-stroke mixing oil. A pair of handy gloves.
Saws in different sizes. Groove cleaner. Got to keep those grooves clean to keep that oil flowing, keep the bar, the chain lubricated. You've got a wooden handle here. You've got your flat file, your 7/32, 3/16, and 5/32 files here as well. So once again, you've got everything that you need here to get started. If you haven't done much chainsaw sharpening, you've got everything that you need to keep those chainsaws sharp, keep them cutting. it.